Sweet. Let's go ahead and go through all this BS that I have to do for... let's go to manage. Yeah, yeet. Tester, testing 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Do we have good audio? Oh, that's amazing audio. Let's go ahead and go through all this BS that I have to do for... let's go to manage. I want to be a dick. Let's turn on monetization. Why not? How's everyone doing? We're doing good. We're about to fix UAC. Minecraft did a big oopsie in 1.17. Tester, testing 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Do we have good audio? Alright, let's turn the audio off. Why is that on my other screen? There we go. Sweet. Yeah, this looks so different. Let me go ahead and... What is up, my guys? Yo, this is looking cool. There we go, 1.17. What is that? Cat HD, Vanilla SMP. Well, sure, why not? Alright, first thing we gotta do. The UAC test realm is expired, which we need that. UAC test realm, renew it. Does my sensor key still work? Sweet, cool. Let me do that real quick. So we're going to put the realm back online. Okay, cool. Alright, so we have the realm back online. Let's go ahead and manage this real quick. What are you doing? No, I'm good. Okay. Let's go and share this really quick. What the hell? Ghost settings, cool. So we have a big problem with UAC. The ban system is completely screwed. New permanent. Let me go switch this over here. Oh god, I'm so stupid. Oh no. Permanente. I know the real reason I put perm link, because I don't know how to spell permanent. What UCA code? Did I put UAC? Am I that stupid? No, I put UAC. Okay. Yeah, we're about to code UAC in a second. We need to fix some stuff. To the UAC, whatchamacallit, test realm. And we'll put a little thing there. Let's go ahead and copy the link to the stream. I probably need to go ahead and put the UAC Discord in my my default description for YouTube or stream anything. That is the Unity Discord, but I don't have a. Yeah, I think that link is to the Unity Discord, but the UAC Discord is kind of different. If you go into the Unity Discord, if you go into Unity projects, then the UAC Discord will be here. If you want to join the UAC Discord. So let's drag that back over there. Alright, cool. So let's make sure that this test realm is on 1.17 since we need it. I'm gonna turn myself down really quick. Turn myself down just a little bit. Yeah, there's that world border. World border thing needs to be fixed. And he is in. So that kind of needs to be fixed. Da, 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 da. So basically, well, these happen every 50 ticks. So around, I want to say 1,200 ticks, he finally spawns in. What do you mean what's the new update? We're still updating. Let's go ahead and fetch origin real quick before we start coding. Any number changes? No, we're free to. I was the last one to make changes. Sweet. Let's open and add them. And fix wherever this was. Basically, what's going on is they don't have a default value for world spawn. Basically, when you go ahead and change the world border, all you're doing is you're changing their scoreboard of X and Z to 4,000 for like 4,000 if I wanted, or 40k if I wanted to change to 40k, right? So you're giving them that score of that. So basically, if their coordinate score exceeds this score, then it will go ahead and send them back to spawn. So what's going on in here is that he doesn't have a X or Z value yet. So what's happening is it's executing onto him before he spawns in, and it is comparing his non-existent score to what the world border is, and it stops when he's finally given the score, since this little welcome message right here is what happens when the init is ran onto him, and so that message is stopped as soon as he has that value. So what we need to do is go ahead and make a... I've been putting this off because I felt like it could be a potential bypass to the world border, but I don't really have a choice. So we need to go ahead and find the world border system. So there's the world border init states, right? We need to go ahead and find the actual animation controller for So we need to find the actual controller for the world border commands, which I believe it is this one. So right here, this is the function responsible for the actual world border message. World border message. Okay, cool. So if I know myself, which hopefully I do, I'm pretty sure that I was lazy enough to go ahead and put the function required for punishment in the world border in the exact same file that contains the message. So it is asset world border. Let's go ahead and put this one down there. World border message, and I was correct. So, tried passing the world border. I'm pretty sure that's the. All right, we found the message. Was the anarchy code you? What? Was the anarchy code if you still run it? That's a sentence. Join the Discord, really quick, and if you're old enough to figure it out how to join, you can join here. Basically, you get the role. Once you get the role, you can see this channel, and you'll be able to like join through here. These things right here. So it is still up. The realm is still up. It's just dead. No one wants to play it. That's fine. What is UAC? UAC is Unity Anti-Cheat. Let me go ahead and do this real quick. I want to put the Discord for Unity Entertainment in the stream description. Let's edit this. Okay, cool. If you're seeing or if you're hearing this right now, you can go ahead and refresh the stream, and you should see the UAC Discord code in the stream description now. That was loud. Okay, so we need to quickly fix that bug. So what's happening with that world border message is it's executing onto them as soon as they join in. What it's doing is basically it is comparing their current coordinates with their X and Z score, which they don't actually have one. They just spawned in. They don't have an X or Z score, but until the initiation the initiative file is ran on them, which is this right here. Once they have a welcome message on them, then it's ran on them. They have a value, and the message stops. So all we really need to do is make it to where this message only runs on that person after they load in. So what is responsible for running the init file is this welcome file right here. See, all this cool stuff gets ran on them. Obviously, they get the USC init asset, ran on them, which is this file right here. They finally get all the default values and stuff like that ran onto them finally, right? And then over here, they get like, the messages has joined for the first time, stuff like that. So this is where the magic happens. It says I got killed after Riley died. Huh? I don't see that. So let us do this really quick. We need to find a distinction. Basically, we need this to stop running on people that haven't had the init file ran on them yet. But we need the message to still run after they've, been initialized by UAC. So to do this, what I'm probably going to do is go ahead and have this message require that they have a specific score or some type of component on that player in order for the message to actually be ran, including the punishment. And then, the init file will give them that score or whatever. So basically, after they are initialized, then, this message will... Then it will go ahead and work on them instead of having it spammed on them before they spawn it. Which is, I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that bug coming at all. So... There we go. They get a score of welcome to 1 right there. So basically, I'm pretty sure like this is a kill switch on this all functionality, making sure that none of this happens twice. So we're probably going to use this same kill switch and be lazy about it. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. So if I get just this, but if we have like welcomed true, so if I execute this on me right now, this should work. Who the hell just died? Yeah, I'm aware of the invis CBE. Does this say they are new? I got a kill when he died. Yeah, that's because I did a really lazy way of kill counting, because there's no other way. I researched, and the other ways are super complex and would need me to rewrite UAC entirely. So let's see if this works. If this executes on me, then my solution is working. Cool. So if I did something like 0, it wouldn't run. Cool, easy fix. So we'll go ahead and copy that. See, fixing stuff in UAC is super easy if you understand why it's happening. The philosophy that you need to create something like UAC is something like this. You can understand, you can tell someone how something works all the time, but you're only telling them how it works, right? All they know is how. How do I build a house? Oh, well, how you do it is you just, place these dirt blocks in a specific order and boom, you have a house. If you tell someone why something works, they can create their own how. So basically, if you tell someone why, they make a house, like, oh, well, you make a house to, for shelter. Sometimes it's for, aesthetic and stuff like that. Now they know the why, they can create their own how. Same thing with UAC. If you know how a function works or how a function does this and this and that, well, why? Why does it work? Oh, it works because, if they have this component and that component, then X, Y, and Z happens, So if you know why something works, you can create your own how. So I've redone the how this works, and it still works the same way because the why is still the same. If you have that philosophy, that will take you places. Have a water bucket. You know what, Riley? Okay, so we've done that now. We have fixed that bug. So, for sure this was a pretty big bug. There we go. I think it's this one right here. Are these separate messages? Alright, so that is fixed. Add invis to spectator. Did I do the /vanish already? Yeah. Okay. I don't need that right now. So vanish to spectator fixed. This is fixed. Put vanish command in help. I need to do that. Let's go ahead and save everything. So that's fixed. We don't need that anymore. Go back to our init file. We don't need to initialize anything else. The help command. There we go. Where should we put this? The trick to functions is that they actually execute from top to bottom, which is why all the entire help command actually functions in a organized fashion, you know, so I can control the entire message top to bottom in what order. So like that is in the middle, same thing down here, you know. So that's a trick to making messages like that. So you can actually go ahead and treat this like a whole menu. You just need all this jibber jabber in the front of it. So you can do, well, you have God mode, right? So let's go ahead and after God mode seems appropriate. Vanish. I think it's literally just vanish or UAC / vanish. There you go. The problem with this is just kind of, I've been using 2.2 for a while, but no, the public hasn't even tried to use it yet, except for the ones who know how to rename a zip file. So I kind of have to make sure that everyone, you know, it's dummy proof, basically. The freeze player thing. What other things do we need to fix? That's good. Add everything is off by default in the user manual. That's a website problem. I'll fix that later. Finish mining detection toggles. I need to do that. Oh, is that even a thing right now in this? Should be like mining detection. You know you can just toggle God mode with the command, right? So like, or UAC, come on, man. It was like, what, toggle God mode. That's how you properly toggle God mode. Yeah, you want to see something trippy with the vanish? Watch this. If I go ahead and like put armor on, you still can't see me. You can't even see what I'm holding. Like if I, like I'm holding stuff, but you can't see me. Only in first person can you see it. And the cool thing is that your hitbox is actually smaller than it's supposed to be, right? So if I did some freaky stuff like this, I can actually kind of glitch into these blocks while I'm in vanish mode because of the way my hitbox is. So it's kind of weird. Cat actually made this vanish mode possible. He's using animation controllers rather than functions. So he was able to make more stuff possible. He was trying to make it to where you could phase completely through blocks, kind of like in Java Edition, but this is as close as are those glow fit? Yo, those are glow jellies. I think I don't know what they're called. But yeah, I'm wearing armor, right? But if I go in third person, you can't see it. So if I do vanish again, I'm still wearing the armor. So it's pretty cool. It's like an actual invis mode. So you don't have to worry about like taking off armor or stuff like that. Or if you're an SMP staff, right? You know, you might have like actual like stuff in your inventory, and you don't have to go ahead and take off armor just to go invis. You can just do the vanish. Is op abuse on? Op abuse is disabled. Why do I have strength? Is vanish giving me strength? What if I do that? Is Riley still in here? Why do I have strength? You can fly in survival? What? Yeah, sure, dude. Totally flying in survival. Let me go ahead and go in game mode S. Or you can just screw around with the hat client and not help. Why art thou? Am I getting strength? It's a constant 29. Something creative related is giving me strength, and I don't know why. So, is it op abuse? If op abuse is on, okay. Or I think I saw it already. Yeah, I don't have an op abuse toggle on. Why am I in strength? What about vanish? Nothing here should be giving me strength. I swear you're not hacking, it's a glitch. I see you moving up and down, and I know how client works. You give me strength, but I need this, and actually, hang on, let me go ahead. When I'm in creative, I get strength. Why do I get strength? It does not match the sector, so that's not doing it. Do. Bruh. Bruh. This is the only file where strength should be. But that's not it. Okay. Am I able to just search the entire file? Is that a thing? Bruh. Oh, yo, I'm so... You're digging yourself a hole, man. What? It's giving me strength. What kind of... What's that, man? Oh. Why do I have strength? I think I remember someone reporting a bug about that. You can't even hack on PS4. I don't know what you're playing on, dude. You could be on PC for all I know. It is. I'm not sure why you're going into so much effort to hide that you're hacking when I don't really care if you are. I know how hacks work, dude. I know what fly hack looks like on the outside. I don't understand. Up abuse isn't on. Is it fucking... Is it like... Maybe God mode? Uh. Oh, what? I get tags for that No way. When was he going to tell me I get tags for this stuff? I could have used that. Another right helmet. Yeah, I do get tags for what I wear. Dude, when were you? Oh my god, I could have used that in the stats system. Why don't you send you a photo on me? Yeah, you can quickly go on your PS4 that you probably also have and send me a picture, dude. God mode? I don't have God mode. I need blooms, man. I need an actual... Why is he using tags in the first place? Where even is that? Let's play on. Oh, I think it's in animation controllers. Is it walk? Has tag. Another right helmet. Event. Try like... Oh. Oh, that would have been nice to know. That would have been really nice to know that there's tags for separate pieces of... Okay. I need to... I want to rewrite the stats. Fucking... So I feel like... Hang on, let me turn down Spotify real quick.
Oh.
I feel like this is probably on my part for not paying attention, but I'll yell at you anyway. When were you going to tell me that each specific piece of equipment has its own tag?
Oh. It came with the enchanted armor. I did label it.
Yeah. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. But I feel better when I yell at you for me not paying attention. So I want to do that. Oh my god, so I have this problem. I have strength whenever I go into creative mode, and it's not off abuse. I don't know what's doing it. And I went to go see like, okay, what
Okay.
tags do I have that possibly are doing it? And then I saw diamond chest plate and diamond boots for tags. So I was like, what the fuck? So I was like, I put on I put on netherite helmet just for randomness, and it gave me the tag of netherite helmet. And immediately I knew what was going on. And I was like, bro, how long has that been there? I was so upset. I could have used that for
It
stats
is
so long ago.
helpful.
I
It is
love it. I
helpful.
love it. You're amazing. I'm kicking myself in the balls not knowing that it was there this entire time. Subscribe and like Mr. Nightwalker. I appreciate you, Liner.
Okay,
I
let
put
me
the
help you out.
UAC test up thing. I put it up indefinitely so we can test
So
UAC.
what are you looking for? Strength, right?
Yeah. Op abuse is not on. Let me just do a module check here before I
Okay,
eat
I
my
searched
words
through every file and I found a few of them actually.
that have the word strength in it. How the fuck did you do that?
Yes. So let me check on your screen inside. Let me go on your stream.
Sweet. I think I have a stream delay of at least 20 seconds.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, it's not an alpha
I'm just
abuse.
checking.
Alpha abuse like uh
Okay, so what you want to do is you see on the top left, you see find, right?
I'm
And then if
super
you have an
fucking
option called find in files, do you have one of those?
fine. I have a find all or find in project. Let's do find in
Yeah,
project.
try that. And then you can search up certain words.
Strength. Oh, I would help it if I spelled it right, dude. I'm looking fucking stupid today. Okay,
It's
so
fine.
why? Okay, that's for freeze player.
It appears that you have four
Dev
locations on one side.
for God mode. Okay, so what if I toggled God mode off? Or tag. It's not supposed to tag me, right? Okay, let's do that. I feel like that isn't it, but because it's directly associated with being in creative. I know someone probably reported this a while ago. They're like, "Hey, everyone is in strength." I don't know why.
Oh yeah, I saw that as well. I
Yeah,
fixed
this
that
is
problem.
probably that problem. Okay. Oh, you fixed that
Uh,
problem.
it yeah, I fixed it. Apparently, it was going for everybody that was in not in creative. You put the exclamation mark C. It was supposed to be M equals C.
What is this?
It was kind of weird, but I fixed that problem.
S.
Hopefully.
Okay. So if I go in game mode S, it's already there. You know what? This is probably a bug that maybe you already fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and put this newest version of UAC on it, so that way all the bugs are. I'm not looking at old bugs. I went ahead and fixed the world border thing, so the world border won't spam in chat while someone is trying to spawn in for the first time.
Nice.
What you can do? You can see behavior packs in realms now? No way. What? Something they were supposed to fix 2 updates ago? No way. Hey, go ahead and. I am from Indonesia, dude. That's far. That's what that is. Uh, test. All right, cool.
They fixed a problem.
New UAC. Yeah. So I fixed a few problems. Let me look at my list. 1 second. So I fixed a few things. I fixed the world border message. Obviously spamming on people who are spawning in for the first time. I put the vanish command in the help thing. So that way,
Oh,
like,
okay.
you know, people it would be included in that. In just a second here, I want to see if updating UAC to the 2.2 on the current realm will fix that strength issue. Because the reason why I can't find it in the code is probably because it's an old bug that's already fixed. So I want to test that 3. So I want to go ahead and just replace the world that's on the realm at the current moment.
Hmm.
Actually, let's not do that. What do you recommend someone starts a Anarchy realm on Bedrock? Have UAC on it. It's better than nothing when it comes to anti cheats, and it's a lot better than any command block anti cheat as well. Uh,
They're
because
deadly. Yeah.
yeah, command block anti cheats can just be turned off by simply turning off command blocks. But since UAC is a function pack, it doesn't actually require them. Any command blocks, then people can't just shut off the anti cheat on you. I would also go ahead and not expect the worlds to last forever. Especially if you're doing an anarchy realm. What I usually do is, uh, actually, I'll show you in a second. I do seasons. So right here, you'll see that this realm is in season 13, meaning it's been wiped 13 times. So you want to do seasons. Reason being is because that there is a file size limit on the realms themselves. They're not servers. They're very limited. Uh, so the thing is like you're eventually going to have to wipe it. So especially if you're doing an anarchy realm, they get quite massive quite fast. People are looking for bases and stuff like that. I would also go ahead and only recruit staff that you can trust. All the staff that I recruited on my anarchy realm, none of them have asked for staff. If someone asks for staff, they're off the list. That's a good rule of thumb. Most of them were just like friends I usually just played on the realm with and stuff like that. Okay, so and they're all staff to this day as well. Like they're really good friends. Uh, just had a brain fart for a second. So this guy is joined. Let me do a developer command real quick. I didn't get to test if that fucking since he joined too early, so I didn't get to test if I fixed the world border problem or not. Uh, oh whoops. I need the key. Give me the key. And I still get strength when I get going creative, so there is something wrong with the the thingy thing. Wait, didn't I fix that problem? It looks like I didn't fix that scoreboard problem.
A scoreboard problem.
Yeah. Sometimes like every other time it updates, it doesn't actually give you a score.
Huh.
Very weird. Like if you look at my screen, like sometimes there is no value every time it updates. Because it's probably yeah, I thought I fixed that problem. So I think it's in hotbar message. So let me look at the op abuse with score. Or no. I think it's just creative with score.
There's still a few minor bugs.
Yeah. They're doing entity count as well. Where's the entity count for it? I thought I fixed this shit. Let me do this. And at a. I know what I did wrong. Maybe I'm pretty sure I already fixed this, but I guess like I never committed it or whatever. Because I think I see what's going wrong here. If you look in the message, creative with score, you see like the selector is at R and then scores and like the entity count for that the entity count for that, you know, like score sector or gap or whatever, 0 to 99 or whatever. It's doing an at R. Well, how I thought this would work is I thought it would pick a random player only if they had that score. So I thought I was getting away with it. It's basically like, okay, only do at R. So basically, it's only ever going to pick the single person who actually has a score, a entity account score.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Apparently, it's not working like that. It's just picking a random person whether they have a score or not. So whenever it picks someone that doesn't actually have that score, I'm getting a blank value. So I guess it just changes to at A and we're good. Actually, no, I don't think it'll work like that.
Probably have to look deeper into that one. Just see if
I
that
don't,
one's
no, I don't
all
think it'll work like that.
apparent.
Fuck.
I'll probably have to look deeper into it.
Uh,
Oh god. Mm-hmm.
there may be a way to fix this. I could do it to where the actual command only executes on the player with the score. So basically, only the player with a score executes this entire tell raw message, but only staff can see it.
Huh.
One way to do it. So basically, they're broadcasting their score to everyone. Question mark. This may not work the way it should, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace the at R's with at A's. I'm just going to run it in a command block and see if it works, to be honest.
Okay. So, try doing the staff status. me off of it.
Yeah, you need the key.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll look into it. Damn it.
Let me get a.
Oh god.
I don't think that's working.
The heck am I getting hit by? What?
Ah.
Hmm.
That was a weird one.
Still not working.
Yes, it's probably just going off of someone random. What I
Yeah.
may do is. How long do you recommend seasons should be? As long as you can, basically. There's no way to tell for certain. It just depends on player activity mostly. Like my Anarchy realm is dead, so the season 13 has been going on for quite some time. But if you have a more active realm, then it just basically directly off of player activity or how active the realm is. All right, I have a better way to fix this, but it's probably the laziest. You know me, laziest policy. So I'm just going to change all of the @Rs to @Ss, but how I'm going to do this is instead of having the score of randomly. No, I don't think will it work like that? Let me see if it actually works like that before I open my mouth.
Got it.
So reset every one of their entity count. Give them a lag timer of 600 to isolate them. Yeah, I guess we could just make it to where everyone has the exact same entity count score, and we're not just bouncing it off. Because I was trying to make it to where okay, you only one player gets uh the entity count score for optimization purposes, but I don't think it would lag too much at all since this is only ran every 5 seconds. So I want to go ahead and modify the entity count system. So this way everyone has that score at the same time, so we can just go off an off S or at S instead of an at R, so we don't have to rely on that one player who has it all the time, since it's always randomized. So we'll go ahead and add an at A to there. Remove that dependency. Do the same thing here. That should work. That should work fine. Okay, cool. So then what we can go ahead and do is go in here. Make all at R at S. Replace all. Maybe not lazy. I feel like that's probably a more simpler way of doing it anyway.
Oh my god. Oh, place is so filled up. Too much. Yes. Okay. So is it the where is it located? And I was just there. Oh, the
Control
hotbar. Aha.
Z that real quick. Okay, I just want to make sure. Yeah, okay. So I'm basically going to go ahead and replace all the at R and hotbar to an at S, since all players at all times are going to have the entity count. I think I need to do the same thing for random spawn. So I need to find what is responsible for that. So it is doing at R for random spawn asset. You look at the asset then.
For me to find it. There we go.
I can't even find it. Where's
Wait, what are you looking for?
random spawn asset? There it is. It's an at S. I don't think. Oh, okay. Oh.
What happened?
Doing an at A for this file may be kind of laggy.
At A, yeah, I would because you're executing each player.
Yeah, it's 100. It's almost 106 lines of code. It's a hard coded mess.
I would do rather at self instead.
Yeah, and at R is usually executed with this one file. So everything is at S for that player. The thing is huh? How do we get the data for that at R? For their score. Matter of fact, there might be a fix to this. The only people that can see this data anyway are staff. We could just do an at A with a staff tag, so it's not executing the entire lobby. So that way, because the only people in creative mode, you can only see the actual random spawn chords while in creative, and you need to be staff for the creative. So if it will still make the S work for the message. If we wanted to change it that way, but not have it lag as bad. Unless they're one of those realms where they just give, operator to everyone, like point anarchy, everyone's a fucking operator. How long do you recommend seasons? Is UAC free or do we have to pay? It's entirely free. It's open source. You can actually go ahead and join the UAC Discord in the description, and you'll see a bunch of stuff like, development, cool videos about here. If you want to go to release tab, you can download 2.1. If you want to get version 2.2, which is what we're currently working on, you have to go to GitHub and view the changes there. Uh, so yeah, it's open source if you want to go ahead and take a look at it. So I'll probably just end up doing that. So let's go ahead and uh, let's do at a, and then require them to be a staff status. The hell did I just do?
Okay. Next thing I need to search for.
So everyone with staff status gets this function onto them, which in return, if I can find it, this at s will still work. Sable. Okay, neat. So basically now staff have all the data on them and they don't have to try to pick it from the random player. Is UAC this complicated? Because I'm not really a techie coding guy. Not really. All you really need to do is, double click the pack you get from the release channel and you're good to go. Hey, what up, Mike Gamer? Yo, you want to join this call, Blooms? You know, my buddy Blooms joins. He's chill as fuck.
Okay.
Okay, he'll probably, if anything, join the realm and help us out.
Um, I'm looking at your thing. Yeah, hold on.
What are you looking at currently?
No, I'm just seeing your how your things get removed and stuff. Your objectives for random spawn and entity count. They all get reset. I'm just looking through them.
Yeah. So basically, uh, like in the if you go to packages and then auto clear, the first thing it does is it resets everyone's entity count, and then it'll start a new count. Basically, okay, clean slate, and then we'll add a count for all dropped items and a count for all monster items, and then after that, it will finally go ahead and uh, update the data for the message.
Hmm. Okay.
Same thing with if you go to uh asset eating dinner right now. Okay. And then like random spawn asset, the first thing it does is it resets the random spawn score, and then goes ahead and gives them a random score between 10 and 340, and then based on their score, will there's a hard coded set of coordinates basically, and then it will also do a separate thing for all player or all staff now, for a x-axis and z-axis objective, for actually giving players data for that position.
So is the what was it? Where does it exactly reset? Is it
Usually near the top of the file because that's a lot. First thing you want to do is reset the score instead of adding on to what score they have. This dude.
yeah? Just keep looking through these.
So this should be fixed. Let me check. What else we need to do? Strengthen when in creative. Yeah, I need to fix that. Still not fixed. Hello? There. Alright, so why am I going to strength when... Or why am I getting strength when I get creative? Strength. What kind of strength is it? Like, can I hit mobs still? Okay. So it's 255 strength.
Yeah, 255 strength. It allows you to not attack mobs or anything. Does no damage. Which is kind of weird, though.
This one needs to be executed manually. This one needs to be executed manually. This one shouldn't be the case because I can't even execute this on myself properly. I don't even
what
have
are you
that
executing?
toggle. Actually, you know what? I do have it toggled on. Toggle, I think op abuse. It should be going away. Is that going off of op toggle? Or scoreboard? I don't have it, so I don't know why it's...
What's not popping up?
I don't have the op abuse anymore, but I'm still getting strength when in creative. I'm not sure why. The other one is toggle god mode, and I think this one actually needs to be executed manually as well. There's literally nothing in here that should be giving me
Let me
strength.
try finding something.
That is so strange.
Okay, so, but,
Why am I getting strength? What tags do I have?
do you have the God mode tag on? Or score?
I know. I have... I've had the test staff status killed. That's pretty much
Okay.
it.
DC.
Let me list my tags. I have just one tag on me. It's the staff status one. Can you execute off of a falling block?
Yes, you could execute a
Oh,
falling block.
we can keep track of falling blocks, my guy. If people try to lag the server with sand, we could probably like put that into the entity count. This is super strange. You don't have any. You don't have a an animation controller, do you? That keeps track of creative.
Keeps track of creative? No. I don't.
This is weird.
If you want one, I can create one.
No. No, I'm just making sure. Literally, the only thing that isn't toggled manually or it needs to be executed manually here is the op abuse, which is always running. And
Let
this
me
can't be
look
the
in.
case because in order for
Okay.
this command to run, I need a toggle of 1,
Did
which
you
mine
change any
is
of the
0.
strength files that you have?
No.
Okay, I'll okay. We got a scoreboard objective that's TGM God mode. It's an interesting one. So I have to
Yeah,
keep track
toggle
of
god
God mode.
mode. Yeah, one of the commands that needs to be executed on you like
Oh yeah,
manually.
that's
So
right.
it's only a one-time thing. And I've never had this tag before yet. So
So you're affecting yourself with strength. What? Hmm.
yeah. So most of them like the freeze player, and I think the other one was something else. Vanish maybe, I'm not sure, but most of them, the rest of them need to be done manually, and they're usually just one time things. I am getting 30 seconds applied to me consistently while I'm in creative without the op abuse toggled on. I know for sure it's off, but I'm still getting strength. And I can't figure out for the life of me why.
Oh. Uh-huh.
So let me.
So far, I got force earth. Oh my god. There's strength in this files. Huh.
Find all. No, not a thing.
I did turn off case sensitive so I could see if we did capital by accident. But even still, it pops up as 4 results. But
It says 5 results found in 4 files. So the first one is yeah in that toggle god mode. The next one is in the op abuse, but um, I need a toggle of op abuse toggle of 1, and I don't have that. Next one is in the developer toggle god mode. It's supposed to ignore op abuse, but that's again something I need to do manually. And there's a freeze player, which gives you like that one-time effect of strength, so you can't kill the. That way, you can't kill the armor stand. I am. That's so weird. Lit.
happen.
Bloom said he might join in a second.
Oh my lord! Something caused a nuke.
It'd be like that. It looks like that one error is
Oh, I mean,
fixed.
they have strength on. Look at that.
Unless I don't, I actually have the world porter on.
L.o.t.s. Okay. Package
No, it's on.
remove staff.
I don't have mining detection in here yet.
Clear. Flash target so staff status.
Module.
Okay, so
You found it? Please tell me you did.
so I did just a little bit of testing. So apparently, let's see if my thing is correct. Let me remove this. It's gonna kill me. Yes. Okay. Yep, it removes it. Okay. But I have to make sure. Whoops. Okay, I have to tag myself first. Add staff status. Yeah, so apparently it's when you're in game mode 1 while having staff status on. But let me see something else. Let me try checking the.
Instead of strength, let me try M equals C. Oh boy.
Okay, What? Ah, that's right. This. What does this exactly?
You just tell raw messages.
Yes, I want to search for that.
What in? Bruh.
Next, search for that.
I will be right back. I want to go see if it does it on the local world.
Okay.
Probably help if I put the pack on first. I don't get it in a local world.
Did you reload the packs? Right?
Yeah,
Huh. It's weird.
so let me do something real quick then. Da, 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 da. How much you want to bet?
Huh.
I want to replace the world real quick. Why is stream so delayed? Stream sniping. Usually back in my Call of Duty days. Took its merry time. Cool. They fixed the fact that if you put a pack on a world and then that world's on a realm, it keeps the pack like it's supposed to.
Thank God they did.
Ow, 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 ow. What the fuck? Ow, ow, son of a bitch.
You good?
Ah, fuck. Goddamn
Oh, what
spiders
happened?
just bit me.
A spider.
Yeah.
Yikes. Hopefully it's not poisonous.
Yeah, it stung for a good minute. It felt like in a good like inch area of my foot it was on fire for a second, so I'm pretty sure it was venomous. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't that bad. Um or had venom of some sort, but I don't know if it's lethal or not. We'll see.
Time will tell.
Time will tell. Let's do the sacred developer command.
Lord.
Unity. That worked. I am on UAC test realm, right? Okay. Uh, that was a
Hello,
weird
world.
one.
What happened?
The bug was there. The whole
Oh,
yeah, the whole world border message bug was back.
that's not good.
That is not good. Let me do this real quick. Let me so we that way we can tell the difference. Uh, There's a version file. Version. Let's do 2.2
Yeah, I'll see if I can
point
fix that problem.
like
Uh,
one.
I know there's a
I'm
way to
pretty sure
fix it.
I should have fixed it already. Let me save everything real quick. Let me go to change that to like a 4.
Yeah, I've just been working with animation controllers for like the longest time now.
Okay. Let me do something real quick to see if. God damn it. All right, 2.2. I want to go ahead and completely do a. Why'd you ban me? Because I'm pretty sure there's a command block there that shouldn't have been there. That was screwing with our testing process. I went to a local world to see if just to test that theory, and so far I'm right. So, all right, so let's go ahead and save all.
Zine creative.
I gave him up because I thought he,
Oh,
I don't know why I didn't think he would be a little kid about it, but I was like, here you go, have up. Let's find bugs. All right, so I changed the UID. Hopefully, this won't mix in with any old data for UAC. So we need to turn all these on. Let me create an experimental world for. Try not to join the realm until I tell you to. I want to see if um the message thing is fixed.
yeah, sure.
We'll know if it works too because I change the version. What do you mean duplicate? I changed the actual version number when we do the version command, so we'll know like it's going to be 2.2.1, which we probably should have done a while ago. Just so that way we knew what alpha build was what, you know? Find a bug on purpose. You're supposed to find bugs on purpose. You're not supposed to create them.
Oh god.
All right, sweet. Okay, you should be able to go ahead and load it now.
Okay.
I
I'll
ran
be
the
joining
init
now.
file on me. Yeah, it's 2.2.1. So this is the current code version we have. It's the most up to date. It's the up to date.
The most up-to-date file of
It's
UAC.
the uppitest.
Up a disc.
Oh god, he has me on Discord. So it begins. Yeah, it's fixed.
Nice.
World border message is fixed. All right, what is this guy's name? Merely. If I go into creative right now, and I don't get strength, I can't. There's no more defense for you. Oh, there it is. All right, so the strength bug is gone miraculously. That's kind of weird how a bug that didn't show up in the code at all fixed itself when we got rid of some third party people. Isn't that strange to you? Don't you have Optimus? Okay,
uh,
cool. Man, can let me come here for a second. That's you got a cute
yeah.
ass skin here.
Thanks.
Man, look at you, cutie.
No.
Is that a tail? Oh my god. The detail.
I had to find a skin that matched me.
I like it. I love it. Wear it with like a
Thanks.
badge of honor.
Lord. Did you
Oh.
summon one? Oh! Oh! Little Timothy!
Oh, Tim. Alright, let's see if this message stuff, the shits work for the data and all that cool stuff. Let's turn everything on. I'm probably gonna get kicked out of creative. Yeah.
Oh, you got striked.
I've been smooting. Where's the key at?
How's it going? It's going good. Trying to help debug things. Oh, he's mostly doing all the work, but I'm just helping him find files. Yes.
Me doing all the work. Didn't she create most of the frameworks that made this shit possible? Oh yay, my messages work now, I think. Okay, cool. So the creative data now works.
Well, duh, because I'm helping him out.
What's
What do
weird
you
is I feel like
mean?
it's updating slower.
I didn't know you didn't know about the find in files feature.
Yeah, it never occurred to me. I never really went exploring with the software. Sweet. So if I turn op abuse off, right, and get the other like variations of the message. Oh, I'm an idiot. Op abuse. There you go. Now if what we did like a scoreboard without message. So without score. I don't think I made a creation variation of that toggle.
Hmm.
That's all right. I mean, I'm pretty sure like it's important for creative mode anyway to have that score always. I'll change it for creative if enough people complain about it. But as long as I go into like game mode S and the score's gone, I'm pretty sure that's all that matters.
So the scores system's fixed finally.
What score?
Apparently, it still says I'm at a kill streak. What?
You're on a kill streak.
Yeah, it says I have 1 kill. I didn't kill anyone.
Oh yeah, that's because I did a really lazy way of the kill system. Basically, if someone dies near you, or I mean, if you die, the closest person to you gets a kill. I
Oh,
stopped. I got so aggravated with trying to find like an accurate working system for it that I just got aggravated and said, "Fuck it, we're doing it like this.
I'll
I don't
do
care
it.
if it's I don't care if it's accurate or not. We have
I'll
a working system.
do it. I'll do it.
If you can make one and replace my kill system, I think the death system works fine. It's just the kill system that needs probably
Yeah,
a replacement.
I've done one already before.
Oh, lit. Yeah, it's probably like on damage or damage detector, wherever that
Yeah,
cool
damn.
thing that I don't understand works. Creative for strength, not wasn't probably wasn't ever a thing. Minded detection on module check. I need that. Doopy doopy doo.
I'm helping out. Okay, calm down.
This is actually Catastrophe's stream, and he's actually like hacking into my channel right now. I'm just the side man.
No.
Yeah. The fuck is the toggle for mining detection? Bruh. Where's the toggle for mining detection at? So there's all the ore toggles. My guy. Does not have one?
You go.
Or were like you lagged out for a second or what?
No, I'm trying to talk to like one person at a time.
Are you on a different call?
Not on Discord. I'm on Xbox, and someone's texting me, and then I'm chatting with you.
Oh, Mr. Popular over here.
No, I'm just helper. I
Oh,
answer the
you're
players'
helping
questions.
other people or what?
Yeah, answering questions and stuff.
Are you cheating on me?
No,
Just kidding. Okay, so I need.
but I could send you a copy of my pack later. It's going perfect.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Module
You can
check.
test it out, but after I polish it more. I'm still working on anti-tower, and it's hard. Jesus. Okay, hold on.
that's what I need. It's just this. That way, updates for all players. You have no evidence, my guy. I literally, all I had to do was test to see if it was happening on local world or not. I caught you in 4K. I got here. I heard about Hentai Tower. We're doing that later, actually. Like, if you stay on stream for a good hour, it's coming. It's the next thing up, actually, for sure.
Oh, what happened?
This guy is asking about the Hentai Tower that we promised, and I said, yeah, for sure. It's coming straight after this commercial.
This commercial.
I totally promised that, guy. I got you. Alright, so module check has mining detection in it now for the toggle check.
I love how it's like hentai tower. Okay. I have a really bad sinus right now. Okay. Don't blame me.
My body pillow ships within 3 to 5 business days. Yeah, cut me a break. Mining detection check. Is that it? Do we get everything? Finish mining detection toggles. That is a thing I need to do. I don't even know what we're missing in the toggles, to be honest. I think what it's or alerts. Cool. So we have lapis, diamonds, and gold. We need emerald, scrap, and iron toggles. So let's go ahead and make those. So that's a yikes. Uh, fix
Oh
last.
snap! Oh! There's a freaking spider. God.
So you know that value that I just put into like every command for like the last command value. Check what command someone last did.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are templated into all the mining or like or alert toggles for the mining detection. So I have to go in later on and give them a proper value.
It was actually pretty cool you set that up. I never thought of that kind of thing.
I mean, it's a hard coded mess. It just takes a whole lot of patience, but it was possible.
Well, there I go. Well,
Emerald off.
I guess I'll catch you later, Nightwalker.
Okay.
I'll be adding my parts soon. It's the one that includes the set spawn for when they sleep in a bed and all that.
Oh, I thought that was already a thing.
Oh no, not yet. There's
Okay.
still a glitch where they won't spawn near it.
Weird.
Almost perfect though.
Okay. I
And
want to
then
go cheat
also
on you with blooms.
back you could actually see if you want a system or not. I mean, I could lend you anything.
Lit. Appreciate you, man.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you, dude.
See you later, bro.
No, Blooms isn't going to answer me. Or oh damn, I really got ghosted like that. That really happened. That'd be like that. What? Supposed to be the off. Okay, cool. Everything else is. It was just diamonds. That was kind of weird. This is really how easy it is to go ahead and make a toggle. And it's really just as easy as creating a or making a 0 to a 1 and then changing the message to on. That's kind of like how most of the toggles in UAC kind of go. Oh god, I need to end stream. We're ending stream. I have to be somewhere. I love you guys.